Kisson from the channel Technilonium Pandit. And many of the HTC U Ultra user or HTC U 11 or HTC, HTC U 11 Plus users, where from when the HTC stop using the headphone jack, many of you users are facing the issue like, you were not able to use the generic headphone jack. You are only allowed to use the the HTC headphone, the type C to 3.5 jack. But don't worry guys, now I have solved this issue. I found the route how to solve the issue. You can use guys any of the headphones in your phone, or any of the type C to 3.5 connector, especially for HTC Ultra users who are not getting the type C to 3.5 adapter. So keep watching this video and I will show you the solution of this thing. This is my HTC U Ultra phone. Here it is, HTC. It reflects me. See how the shiny back it is. I put the company cover. So this is my HTC U Ultra. So I am going to connect the 3.5 type C to 3.5 mm converter. I ordered it from Amazon. You can order it. So just generic generic cover, generic jack, you can say. And it's not HTC one, it's the normal one, it's not the HTC one. So I am going to put this. So see, I am getting this message. Okay guys, no problem with that. Just click on OK. Just connect your headphone jack, or you can say I will connect this to my this. Now you will see guys, one moment. So guys, if I am suppose turning on this, so it's getting sound from the so we are getting sound from the phone speakers. No problem with that. Music match, no problem guys. See the magic now. Here we go, we be into audio jack and we click on, and now see the magic guys. We'll go to music match and boom, I'm getting sound from headphone. I will change the song. No problem. I will put some other song. See guys, we are getting sound from headphone jack. It's fully connected. See guys, we are getting sound. So I will show you how to do this. So though guys, again, while ending this video, again I repeat, so if you want the sound from the phone, you need to go to audio jack adapter, and you need to you need to turn off it. That's it. You will start getting sound from the mobile speaker. Hello guys, so in this video I am going to show that how a headphone jack, or you can say the type C to 3.5 adapter, will support the HTC U Ultra or any HTC device, because many of our users are frustrated because the generic type C to 3.5 jack is not supporting. So here I will show you how it will support. So first what you need to do is, when we try to plug the any headphone jack apart from the HTC headphone jack, this shows this issue. So what you need to do is, it's very simple. You need to go to Play Store and just type audio jack fix, or what you can write is audio router. So once you type the audio router, you need to install this app. That's it guys. After installing this app, you need to open this app and here you will get the audio jack option. While you're getting the audio jack option, what you need to do is, once you plug in this, you need to click on, and after that apply it. So once you apply it, what happen is, so once you apply it, what happens, it starts supporting the headphone jack. But I repeat, it still show you the option that it won't support. But once you play any of the song from YouTube or from any video or anything, it will definitely support, guys. Trust me, it will support. But once you done with the headphone, once you done with the usage of headphone, what you need to do is, you need to go again to the audio router and just click on off. So once you off it, guys, it will, you know it will stop using headphone jack, and you will start getting the sound from the mobile speaker. If I repeat again, if this is on, guys, if this is on, what will happen is, it's a simple thing, you will not get sound from your mobile speaker. To get sound from mobile speaker, you need to turn off the device and apply it, guys. That's it. And I seriously, you gonna say me a lot of, many times thank you because of this video, because I was also very frustrated. I was very frustrated because I am not getting HTC the 3.5 mm jack in my country. So I ordered the generic 3.5 mm jack, and trust me, guys, it worked. So thank you for watching this video, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, or if you want to help someone, please share this video with other users, and definitely this video will help them. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Bye guys, and I will catch you in the next one.